Behind us is our Week2Wicked pickup truck, and it's time to install some exterior door handles. Eddie Motorsports sent us a couple different designs and also different powder coat colors. They're made from a high quality billet aluminum, and we chose this design for this application. So right now we're going to do a step-by-step installation on this, so let's get started. So to get started, it's as easy as pulling off the two door handles, the armrest, and the door panel itself. Then you can remove the exterior door handle to get started installing the new Eddie Motorsports handle. It comes with stainless steel hardware and gaskets. Okay, and then I'm going to take the other screw and gasket. Once the first screw is installed, you can take the gasket for the second part of this and then install the other bolt through. Get the gasket lined up and start threading it into the handle. With 20 minutes of time, we have the installation complete and we got a real quality look.